guys, what's up? This is High Tech Brothers and today we are with one more unboxing video. And in this video, we are going to unbox
a radio
control monster truck.
You are seen monster.
You may have seen this in our last episode. It was a short. We showed you the differences between the old one and the new one. Let's unbox this. So first, let's open this. So let's open this. Ooh! Wow, this is big. Wow. Oh, there's a remote. Wow. This is pretty good.
Yeah.
And it also came with charger. I think we need to put this in a laptop or anything that can hold it. Yes, any socket. You could also put this in your mobile charger.
Yeah.
So it is pretty good. Let's test it out. First, we need to keep it for charging. But oh wait, it is already charged. So let's test it. Go aside, box. And I like the color of this. Oh. Let's put the charger aside. Now let's try it. Turn it on.
Oh,
it has lights.
It's like a legit police car. Like me on the chair.
It's a police monster truck.
So we kept the batteries in this. There should be batteries right here.
Yes.
We need a screwdriver to open it.
Go on. Wait, this is fast. This is wait. It's going. I like it. It's very fast.
It's very fast. So it's a cool effect in the dark. It has a cool effect because of this light. The
Yes.
lights are on here, and then when they're on, I think it cause like it's a police car. This police like this.
See, we're gonna go in super speed now. Can you climb, my brother? The question starts, and the answer is coming. Wait, I'm bad in driving this. Let's go. Oh, it is super sane. It is very fast. Oh! Guys, be careful. It can break any of your toys.
And now front flip.
Let's make it go in a loop the loop. Let's make it do front flips and back.
Ready.
Let's try this again. Go. Uh-oh. Yeah, front flip. One more flip. Yes. This controller is also very good. Let me just turn this off, not to waste any battery. This controller has a wheel, good design, and it also has grip. The last controller that I had, that was pretty good. It had grip on the sides. I'll go and bring it in a second. Just wait here. So this is the second remote that I was talking about. It has a grip on it, so that's good. And if you press this button, the car is going to go front, same like that. Like if you press this, it will go front, and if you do this, it's gonna go back. So, and it's same like that. But guys, if you have watched till here, be sure to hit the subscribe button because now you're gonna see the bonus of the video.
Yeah.
Stay tuned. Because you have watched till here, now you get to see the epic bonus round. I and my brother are gonna play with our cars. It's going to be awesome. Yeah! Come and touch me. You can't touch me. Can you touch me? No, you can't. I know you can't. Uh-oh. No! My car is very slow. No, you can't. No, you don't. Ah! Yes, you are upside down. Crash. Ooh. Again crash. Yee. Again crash. Super speed. Let's go. You can't do anything. No. Come here. Yes, he's upside down. You're gonna fall. Uh-oh. You can do this, car. You can do this. Go front. Attack him. Uh-oh. You can do this. Wait. Oh no. And guys, now I and my brother are going to exchange the cars. This time I'm going to destroy him. Let's go! Woo! I'm coming. Uh-oh. He hit me hard. I'm down. My brother has 1 point and I have 0. Dash! Dash! You're not gonna do. Oh! Oh! Uh-oh. Yee! Yee! Yes! Uh-oh. I'm stuck. No. Guys, no, if my brother touches. My brother has 2 points. If he touches me, he loses. No, he has 3 points now. Oh, did you see that, guys? Yee! Yes. But guys, that's it for this episode. Please like and subscribe. More videos coming right up. Bye.